the quality changed because my camera died. I got home super late last night and I forgot to charge the camera, so I have the iPhone. Alright guys, just made it to the meet, parked all the way in the back. Super packed, bro. Super sick cars too. I think this is the owner of like this Cars and Coffees F80. It's sick. I need a BMW in my life. Soon. We seen the Nismo GTR when we pulled up. Or is it even a Nismo? I don't think it's a Nismo, bro. I think it's just a bumper. But either way, it's sick. Got a Sheepy Race R8 over here. Okay. Can't see the turbos, but best believe it's boosted. Best believe it'll got the shit out of me. Got this SS on the Stickly Nickly over here. Okay, okay. I love how 4-stars look on like Chevys. Damn, bye-bye. Sick. Honestly, if I had like a Chevy, I think, or like a Mustang, I think this is the wheel setup I'd go with. I need one of these guys with the red buckets. It's so sick. Got the Subi on the T's. Q50 right here. Every single time I see a Q50, I get kind of mad. My Q50's at home with a broken bumper. Shout out to the raccoon. Super clean and simple HR right here. I need another one of these, bro. Just like this. Simple and clean. Mark 4 Super on the T37s. I still need to buy these wheels for the Z, guys. I've been wanting these wheels since almost like since I got the car, and I still haven't got some. I don't even know why either. Probably get some soon. Oh, I like this. That's pretty sick. How do you feel about this?
That's too wild.
Got the Z06 on the skinnies. Okay, okay. So I'm sending Eric. The car currently has a boost leak, which is so annoying, but I mean, this is what it is with these boosted cars, so I can't even race after this. But whatever. Hey, what the hell? Z06 on TEs, bro. What the f? That looks pretty sick. Bro, this shit is bad as f. Damn. This is my dream toy hauler right here. One of the sickest trucks I've seen in a minute. Oh, even this one's bad as f. Damn, I don't know, bro.
I'll take this one.
I think I'm gonna have to take this one. But this one's pretty sick too, I'm not gonna lie. Bro, I did not even notice this over here. I don't know if you guys know this, but my first car was actually RSX. I actually want to buy it back and do something like this. Boosted RSX, bro. I bet you this car is so fun. Never see these. The wagons? Eric was like,
there's a donut.
Oh, there's a donut. Go get it. Get it. You're on a liar. Damn, this thing's pretty sick, bro. I seen this thing getting a lot of hate on the internet, but that wing looks pretty good in person. This wheel setup is fire too. This front end looks super sick, super mean. Got 335 on the tire. Okay. Parked right next to me, or right in front of me. GTR on T's. I need one, guys. Imagine this being my garage right here. Just imagine.
12 seconds later.
couldn't see anything at the end, bro. I was like, this was about to smack us. Bro, it's been like 2 minutes and the smoke is still like right here. Bro, I literally just missed that. He almost lost it. Peer pressure. Unleashed the whole 150 horsepower. That's what came back. He's an older cat too. Watch him do a burnout, bro. That'd be funny. Oh shit! It's on nitrous, I think. Oh, never mind. It's on back. I heard the shit. That was nitrous. It's pretty hard. Hey, what the? What is that? Oh, we got the suicide doors on it. Bro, check out this. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm not sure exactly what this is. Bro, what the fuck? Look at this turbo. Damn, this shit is sick. Huh? Bro, look at these tires. This is gonna do a sick ass burnout when he leaves, probably. That's actually sick. I thought he was getting a donut. He said, F the diet. Another boosted Honda. Sick. To show off his down pipe too. Okay, okay. And 4 on the tire. Okay. Damn, they're hollow tires. R34 sedan. What's that? Check out this flyby. This is pretty fast. No way. There's no way.
Yeah!
Oh.
Yeah! Oh!
No way.
Man down!
Nah, this was pretty clean though. soul, bro. Come on, bro. You gotta do it this time. Oh, never mind. Come on, bro. I believe in you, dog. I believe in you. Come on, fellow Z brother. Bro, what the? No, fuck. You feel that shit in your chest, bro? Let's see what the camera got. Camera gone! Hey, I actually did it. It's so quiet. There's a cop.
Which way?
Wow. Post it up there now, no more. Fun exits, I guess. Damn, another one pulling up. Rip.
That's funny because this was the first.
Another one. No way. Nobody told. No way. Bruh, no way. And he got the red light. Party's over. Get out of here. Check out this wide body Hellcat on the way